Hey everybody. Um I went goo crazy. I went crazy this Christmas, but this set is an opportunity of a lifetime because the odds of me being able to obtain all three pieces in one day in 2019 is like slim to none. So if you're interested in what I received, keep on watching. So it's the holiday season, so you'll get the holiday wrapping, and I got these two pieces through a phone order. I asked by chance like if they had this size, and they were like, yeah. And I was like, oh my god, let me order that. And I was like, hey, by the way, do you happen to have this in this size? They were like, yes, we do. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting that too. Then I was like, do you guys happen to have this in this size? They were like, no, unfortunately, there's none in the country. And I'm like, oh, poo. However, I happened to go to the store, the Louis Vuitton store, and I figured, you know what, let me just take a chance and ask. And mind you, this was the same day. And I was like, hey, do you have this? And they were like, we just got that in today in the shipping. And I was like, OMG. So I got all three in one day. These two obviously came in the mail, obviously, but I still purchased it in the same day. Brand new, fresh, straight from the factory. And are you guys ready? So the first piece is the Toiletry 15. Yes. And this one was made in Spain. Look at how fresh this vacatoletta is. And let me compare it to my mini pochette. A huge difference in the patina. I didn't even realize how patina this was until I saw this, and I was like, ooh, what a difference. So if I got the Toiletry 15, then obviously, and I really don't want to mess up the bow, but oh well, it's okay. By the way, it comes in a cute little envelope, which is tucked in, and you can put a little note or whatever you want. I remember when I was trying to open the envelope, and I was trying to open this side, and I thought it was glued in, and I've realized that you're supposed to open it on this side because it was tucked in. So anybody who's accidentally ripped the envelope, check to see if it's tucked in on the other side. So this is the Toiletry 19 that I got online. Oh my gosh. This one was also made in Spain. And of course, I inspected it before leaving the store because I always have my packages shipped to the store or like a UPS location, but I never have my packages sent directly to my home. And that's mainly because there's thieves out there, especially in this holiday season. I'm not going to take that chance. So I'd rather pick up my packages at a UPS store, FedEx store, USPS, whatever. I just don't want it sent to my home. I don't trust people. But yes, this is the Toiletry 19. And it has that fresh out the factory scent. Like that fresh Louis Vuitton scent. And here's, the product code and all that. And I got the highly coveted, mind you, this on the resale market is like at least $100 to $200 over retail price because it's so coveted and so many people want it. So the fact that I was able to score this through a phone order, and look how big this box is. This is so big. It's so extra. Why is Louis Vuitton so extra? Anyways, because this is so coveted, the resale price is higher. But this is the Toiletry 26. You guys. And this is made in France. So I got 2 pieces made in Spain, and I have 1 piece made in France. And anybody who knows about Louis Vuitton knows that normally their canvas print for their toiletry pouches is just 1 canvas print. So it'll be front facing this side, and it goes upside down on this side. And this is fresh. So I got these 3, and I plan on using this as a catch-all. A lot of people like to use the mini pochette as a catch-all. I personally like to use my mini pochette as purses, as cute little minimal crossbody purses. So I'm going to use this as my catch-all piece. And these are going to be my clutches / toiletry cases if I decide to travel. I plan on getting inserts where I can transform these into crossbody bags. So I'm really excited with that. And this is how it looks inside each bag. Oh, I didn't even notice that. But here's the little pouch that it comes with. This is so cute. But I have the Trifecta, you guys. The Trifecta. The odds of me getting the Trifecta in the same day, I don't even know if that's possible. But that was my luck. I got it. These 3 pieces alone, people are selling it online for over $1,000. And I was able to get these 3 for, I don't even know. Like, this is like what, three something? $355 or something. This is like $400. This is like $445. So I believe, I don't know, I can't do the math right now, but some people are selling it for like $1,200, $1,300. And I got this at retail value in the same day. It doesn't get better than that. It really doesn't. Well, that is all that I have. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. If you want to see what's in my bag or anything like that, please let me know. And if you're interested in my content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.